Hey boos, I'm back and I'm coming to you with another video sponsored by Ebony Line. So thank you Ebony Line for sending me over this wig to do a review for my lovely viewers. So today's wig is by main concept is the Umbrella Company, and Melanin Queen is one of their lines underneath that. So this is by Melanin Queen, courtesy of Main Concepts. And I have her in the style ML1101 fine straight 20 inches. And I have her in the color 613. So I wanted this color, but they were sold out. So that is something that I definitely want to try to get, because you know I love my blue. So I'm not feeling these baby hairs though. Like, why are they pasted down on sis face like that? So we're not gonna do it like that. I wasn't going to do an unboxing, but I really like the box that they had sent it in. Again, this is how she looks on the stock card. We got to give her a name because she did not come with a name. I'm used to my wigs coming with names. So they said she's like 20 inches long. So I guess maybe it depends on where the 20 inches would start. I think they're talking about 20 inches from the top. Usually when they have a full wig and they talk about the 20 inches, like a full synthetic wig, they talk about 20 inches. They start from the top, and for us we will start at the bottom, like the bundle. Last bundle is 20 inches long, you know. So as far as cap construction, it doesn't come with a deep lace line. It's maybe I'm gonna say like 2 to 3 inches long. It has 2 combs at the temples, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. The lace is tinted to a brown complexion, so that's a plus. And the reason why I came with you to y'all with no makeup on is because we're going to try to like lay her. And usually with blonde hair, it's not a good idea to lay the wig and with makeup on, because then the makeup gets into the hair and then it looks all like icky and fuzzy. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm going to come back with the wig on, and then we can finesse it. Okay, I'm back with the wig on. Oh my gosh, I hate wearing blonde hair without makeup. I truly do. It just looks funny to me. But okay, so now that we have her on, I had to really pull her over my forehead, so my forehead just shrink a few inches, because I just didn't want when I lay the hair, I didn't want the blonde to mix with my natural hair. So this is the only thing I really don't like about the wig, is that it doesn't come completely down past my temples. And with that being said, you can see some of my actual hair, and it's gonna look obvious. So what I'm gonna do is I have to lay like the baby hairs on the side, like mixed sideburns, just so I can cover that. But the hairline is really nice. I'm not going to front on that one. The hairline is very nice. The hair texture is nice. It is a, how they say, fine straight. So it's a fine texture. Of course, you can see my actual hair on this side. So we're going to pull out some.
Okay, boo, there's no music because I want to do a little voiceover to talk you through what I'm doing. So I'm just pinning the hair back because I have to finesse the baby hairs. I'm basically just going to lay them. This hairline was already flawless. It already said that it came pre-plucked hairline and whatnot, and that's my daughter's hand, and she's going to pop her head in and out throughout this little clip. She was just talking to me while I did this. So this party space, it wasn't a lot. I think the wig would have been a lot better if the party space was maybe an inch or two more. But I plucked whatever was there just to make it look more realistic. And I'm about to go ahead and just lay the baby hairs and lay the sideburns to try to cover my actual sideburns. And see you in the next clip where we discuss my thoughts on the wig. Thanks for watching.
I will
Okay guys, so I'm back and I don't know what it is, but I'm not really feeling the color right now. I don't know what it is. Like, I did my makeup and everything, and I've worn other blonde wigs before, so this isn't. I got makeup on it already, but it looks better like that, I guess. Here, let me put some lipstick on. Anyway, tell me what y'all think about this unit. Was you cop or drop? Cop or drop, child? Right now, I don't know. I gotta change because I got all this hair, because I did thin her out. Oh yeah, I did thin her out along with that's the only part I didn't show y'all because it does take a while to do that. But I did thin her out. Other than that, this is like straight out the pack, and you saw me straighten her and whatnot. So tell me what you think about this. She isn't a real 20-inch wig, I will say that. She's probably 20 inches from the top, but as far as like length goes, she's about 16 inches long. This is a 16-inch long wig right now. It's not 20 inches, so that's false right there. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And what else can I say? Follow me on social media. So Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Links will be in the description box below. All right.